Hey guys, so Polygel won on the poll on my page, so that's what this video is going to be today. And in the next 19 minutes you're going to see me struggle quite a lot and see me do my first attempt at using Polygel. It didn't go as planned, but I did learn a lot of things for next time, and there will most definitely be a next time because these colors are absolutely beautiful, as you'll see in these swatches. Like, these are my perfect colors. Honestly, I can't pick a favorite. They're also so glittery, like it's crazy. I got this kit for $11, but since I bought it, the price did go up to $16. But I still think it's worth it, definitely. These were very sticky, I will say, but I mean, I know that polygels are infamously sticky, but I have nothing right now to compare this to, as this was my first try with it. I do have a Macart kit as well that I haven't used, but I'm kind of looking forward to it because that way I will know if these are extra sticky or if they're normal. But yeah, I would definitely say use gloves if you're doing the lazy girl method, like while you're getting it ready, because I was completely surprised by how goddamn sticky everything was. Like, I've never used so much alcohol in my life. But yeah, so enjoy these swatches and then I'll be back to talk you through the rest. I just can't get over how beautiful these are. It's such a nice array of colors to have. I like all the clearish ones, but the color ones, it surprised me how much I loved them. So I'm putting that to the side, and I decided to work with number 10 and number 11, which is the orange and the blue. Yeah, I was going to do a lazy girl set, but yeah, you'll see what goes on. These are the tips I'm using. They're from TEMU. They're also on Shein though. Here's where I went wrong first. I sized out my tips. I know you're supposed to size them out bigger. I thought I did, but I guess sized them out too close to my normal size. So after curing them, they shrunk a little bit, more than I was anticipating. But yes, next time I will be sizing up another size for sure. So what I start out by doing is opening this new brush that I got, which is really, really pretty. This is from my Macart kit that I didn't show yet, but yeah, look at the rhinestones, love it. So I'm gonna start out by putting down paper towels, and I thought it was a good idea to buff the tips first. That way afterwards I wouldn't have dust in the underside of the polygel, because I've heard, and it is very true, that it is super sticky. So I guess I'm glad I did this. Yeah, so we're just gonna buff through the tips and then we are going to prime them. If you have any tips for me, if you actually watch this video, like, I don't know how you polygel girls do it. Like, you make it look so easy. I am actually like really happy that I didn't attempt this with tips and an overlay for the first time, because it would have been a complete disaster. So this kind of just gave me a little insight into what to expect next time. And I'm also just filing the little tip from the mold where the nails come off. Okay, so now I'm just making sure to get any excess dust off. I also dusted off the front side of the nails, and I'm taking my Marvan acid-free primer, and I'm going to generously prime the inside of the tips. Now I'm just taking some 91% alcohol and pouring it into my little dish here. I'm gonna wet the brush and we're gonna get started, and I hope that you enjoy this struggle. It did get easier as I went, I will say that. And I will definitely say in my little experiment here, you definitely want to pat and not drag. And again, any tips, please leave them down below. I really appreciate it, guys. And this is when I panicked a little bit. I realized how much of a hard time I was having, how sticky it was, and I decided I was going to switch over my plan and make these into press-ons, which, good thing I did, because if I would have applied these, they would have shrunk and popped up because I chose sizes that were too small. So yeah, this is definitely a learning curve video, and I do hope that you still enjoy it anyway. And there will be more attempts for sure. But yeah, it did not go as planned. So now I'm taking more 91% alcohol, and I'm literally wiping everything in the world down on my area because this made everything so sticky. But yeah, I also wiped the nails down too after I cure them, and my lamp. And here we are getting a little non-lint wipe, and I'm going to wipe the nails down super thoroughly. I probably do this another time off camera. Yeah, I was really struggling, but I didn't want to scrap this video because I think it's useful and honestly something to look back on. Okay, last step, taking a top coat. You can use whatever you want. This is a 6-in-1 nail glue, and I'm just gonna top coat all the nails. So final thoughts here. The colors are absolutely beautiful, and if you like glitters, you will love these. If you're a polygel girl, I think you will love these, and you will have a much less difficult time than I did. Yeah, hopefully if anything, that makes more sense. The swatches were helpful for you. I hope that they were, and I hope I didn't let you down too hard, everyone who voted in the poll. And I love you guys, and comment down below, like, and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you in the next video, guys.